Cradled by mountains where dreams align, luxury and nature seamlessly intertwine. A sanctuary of elegance crafted with care, Natural's essence, a life beyond compare. Feel the breeze, let the light cascade. Every moment here, memories are made. Phuket's heartbeat, its beauty and soul. Natural Phuket, where your dreams unfold. The laughter of loved ones fills the air. In nature's embrace, there's nothing to compare. Welcome to your dream, forever true. Natural Phuket, where luxury finds you. It's more than a home, it's where you belong. Natural Phuket, your dream lifelong.